Welcome to this tutorial on how to save with GoHenry Child Account. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app designed for kids to learn how to manage their finances. The GoHenry Child Account is a great tool for teaching children the importance of saving and responsible spending. To start saving with GoHenry, you need to set up a GoHenry account for your child. This involves downloading the GoHenry app, creating an account, and ordering a card for your child. Once the account is set up, you can start adding money to the account. The next step is to set savings goals for your child. This can be done through the GoHenry app, where you can set a savings target and track progress. You can also set up automatic transfers from the spending money to the savings account. This is a great way to encourage your child to save a portion of their allowance or earnings. The GoHenry app also allows you to set up a savings challenge for your child. This is a fun way to encourage your child to save by setting a target and rewarding them when they reach it. You can also set up a regular savings transfer from the spending money to the savings account. To make saving more engaging, you can also use the GoHenry app to teach your child about the importance of saving. The app provides educational resources and games to help children learn about money management. You can also use the app to have open conversations with your child about the importance of saving and responsible spending. In addition to teaching your child about saving, the GoHenry app also provides a safe and secure way for your child to save their money. The app is protected by robust security measures, and the card is protected by a PIN and other security features. To get the most out of the GoHenry Child Account, it is essential to monitor your child's account activity regularly. The GoHenry app allows you to track your child's spending and saving in real time, making it easy to identify areas where they may need improvement. By following these steps and using the GoHenry app, you can help your child develop healthy savings habits and a strong understanding of money management. Remember to always encourage your child to save regularly and provide them with the tools and support they need to achieve their savings goals. With the GoHenry Child Account, you can give your child the best possible start in life and help them develop a lifelong habit of saving and responsible spending.